Hello students, in the process of linear differential equation, I will take few example and I will solve them. Okay. First question, dy by dx plus y equal to sin x. We have to solve this linear differential equation. This is okay. As you know, this differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Compare it with the form. ओके इस फॉर्म से कंपेयर करते हैं तो हमें मिलता है p इक्वल टू 1 एंड q इक्वल टू sin x. ओके thereafter we will find integrating factor if. if का मतलब integrating factor. ओके e to the power integration p dx. The value of p is 1. Put the value of p, thereafter integrate e to the power x. Okay. Solution. After finding integrating factor, find the solution. Y into if. If means integrating factor equals q. Q is what? Q is sin x into integrating factor e to the power x dx. Okay. Put integrating factor, that is e to the power x. Now integrate. We will integrate over here assuming I equals e to the power x into sin x. Students, we will apply by part rule over here, assuming sin x first function and e to the power x second function. According to by part rule, first function as it is, integration of second minus integration of derivative of first. sin x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? cos x into integration of second, that is e की power x. Thereafter I equal to e to the power x sin x. Okay, again first function, second function. First function as it is, and you know the integration of e to the power x is e to the power x minus integration of derivative of first, the derivative of cos x is, that is minus sin x, and minus minus plus sin x into integration of x. e की पावर x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? e की पावर x dx. ओके, I equals e to the power x sin x minus e to the power x cos x एंड माइनस इसकी जगह आई पुट कर देते हैं. आई को इस साइड ले आओ तो 2i इक्वल्स e टू द पावर x कॉमन निकालो, sin x माइनस cosine x, and the value of I will be, the value of I for integral will be e to the power x divided by 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay, put the value of integral, that is e to the power x divided by 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay, divide by e की power x, you can easily find out. e की power x cancel out, that will be sin x minus cos x c e to the power minus x. This is the solution of this differential equations. Okay, now we will take another question to elaborate the method. Yes students, now let us take this question, this differential equation problem and we have to solve cos square x dy by dx plus y equal to tan x. Students, divide by cos square x to both sides of this equation, to both sides of equation. Then we will get over here dy by dx plus y divided by cos square x equal to tan x divided by cos square x. Now compare it with dy by dx plus py equal to q. As we are looking over here, p is what? 1 upon cos square x. 1 upon cos square x is what? That is nothing but secant square x. And q is what? Tan x. Tan x upon tan x into 1 upon cos square x, that is secant square x. Okay. Let us find integrating factor. IF for integrating factor. E to the power p dx. This is integrating factor. This factor very important, and particularly this factor facilitate the solution of the linear differential equation. Okay, that is e to the power p. P is what? P is secant square x dx. As you know, the integration of secant square x is nothing but tan x. E to the power tan x. Okay, now we will find the solution of above differential equation, that will be y into if, and if is what? Nothing but e to the power tan x equal to q. Q is tan x into secant square x. Okay, and if, that is e to the power tan x dx. Students, put over here. Put tan x equal to t. As you know, the derivative of tan x is secant square x. Then it will be secant square x dx equal to dt. Then y into e to the power tan x equal to secant square x dx will be dt. T into e power t dt. Okay. Integrating this by part. Okay. And we will integrate over here t into e to the power t dt. First function and e to the power t will be recognized second function as far as by part rule is concerned. By part rule में there is a I-late rule. I for inverse trigonometric function, L for logarithmic function, A for algebraic function, and T for trigonometric function, and thereafter E for exponential function. Okay. And this is exponential, this is algebraic, T is algebraic, and e to the power t is exponential function. So treat this first function, algebraic को first function and exponential को second function. Okay. First function as it is, integration of second minus integration of derivative of first, and the derivative of t with respect to t, that will be 1, and e to the power t का integration, e to the power t dt, and this will be t e to the power t, again e to the power t का integration, e to the power t plus c, and e to the power t common, t minus 1 plus c. Put the value of the integration, integral e to the power tan x equal to t, e to the power t means e to the power t for what? T is tan x, and t minus 1, tan x minus 1 plus c. This is the Okay, solution of the given differential equation. Okay, let us take one more question. Yes students, now let's take this question and comparing it with standard form. And you know standard form with dy by dx plus py equal to q. Students, look over here. P and Q must be function of x only, and P constant भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन that will be function of x only. Comparing it with coefficient of y is 1 over here, and the coefficient of y is p. Then definitely the value of p will be 1, and q is 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. अगर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें तो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 1 upon 1 plus cos x plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay, as you know 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2. Then we can write over here 2 cos square x by 2, and sin x is what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel out, cos x by 2 से इसके square cancel out. Then we can write over here 1 upon 2 secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2. Okay. Now find the integrating factor. Integrating factor will be what? E to the power p dx. P is 1. Then integrating of factor will be 1 dx, means e to the power x. Now we will find the solution. Solution of the given differential equation. Solution कैसे निकालते हैं? y into integrating factor, that is e to the power x equal to q. q क्या है? 1 upon 2 sec square x by 2 plus tan x by 2 e to the power x dx. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे हमने एक थ्योरम पढ़ी थी इंटीग्रेशन में. tan x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. थ्योरम क्या थी हमारे पास? थ्योरम थी इफ थ्योरम क्या थ्योरम थी? fx plus f dash x e to the power x dx. आपने पढ़ा था दिस इज fx into e to the power x plus c. ओके, अब यहाँ पे अगर हम देखते हैं tan x by 2, tan x by 2 को अगर फंक्शन मानते हैं तो इसका डेरिवेटिव यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज y into e to the power x, that will be fx means tan x by 2, और इसका डेरिवेटिव रखा हुआ है into e to the power x plus c. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन. e to the power x by x से डिवाइड कर दो, डिवाइड by e to the power x, and you will get over here y equal to tan x by 2 plus c into e to the power minus x. This is the solution of this differential equation. I hope you may have understood properly.